What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. We are up close and personal, and I want to do a recreation of a look that Desi Perkins had done pretty much yesterday, I want to say, but it's a smoky winged out liner and stuff. I'm not going to talk through this video. I'm probably just going to show you guys either what I'm using and stuff, and then put some cool music on top, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you would like to, I have my social media accounts in my description box down below as well, so follow your girl. So yeah, let's get into this video because I'm super excited to do this look because it looks epic. So let's get started.